In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 580 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get 3. Now again this 3 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 580 divided by 5 is equal to 116, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.